There go your little truck. See how tiny that truck is? See, that guy right behind? See, look at that. Yep, that's the tiny little garbage truck. Just give you an idea of everything. See, you got all the soccer fields, football, tennis, pickleball. We over here at the baseball, softball complex, right? You got the Met Stadium, the Finley Center that's right behind me, RV park, let you know the splash pad and the playground. So see, this is a nice, beautiful multi-facility. See how beautiful? Now this one is a grass, then the rest of them are turf. See the natural grass, this field here, which is one, then it's 5 fields. So the rest of them are turf. And they're set up with, you do both baseball and softball on every field. And you got bleachers and stuff. I'm gonna zoom in. See? Now if you're coming from that way, where you see that press box area straight ahead, that's softball, right? For that one field. But if it's over this way, it's baseball, okay? So that's how they set them up. Go back out, zoom back out so you can see how big all this is. Okay, out. See. That little area right there is like a little overflow area. Coming in, there's the Hoover Met, where you see that blue building. There's the Finley Center that has indoor track, swimming pool, different things in it. That's part of your facilities for being here at the RV park. You come in here and go to your spaces, right? Let me show you. Right here, there's a lit map area showing you everything. See, sitting up there, pinch in. Yep. So you got basic rates. Roof. All right. Shine back over here. All right. All right, we can take off. And the spaces are numbered. We even got a sign that you see your row spaces. See, like this first section is 1 through 18. And I guess you can see there's big rigs. Spaces are basically 45 feet long. They're plenty wide, you know. Not super wide, but plenty wide. Where you can get all your slides out, have room to walk around. It's all concreted. You got garbage cans, and the garbage truck comes. Right now the schedule is Mondays and Thursdays. See, you got a big Tiffin tag axle, 45-footer. See, in the space. And see, they got their little satellite system, internet. So, all types of rigs. See, that's another little tag axle there. Country coach. Little regular leg row diesel. Yep, there's the Finley Center. You can go in that little side door right there after you walk over. If not, this is locked. You just go around the front. You can see people in that little weight room over there on the end. I like the spaces that's, well, you know, closest to the end, because you can kind of get a little grassy area, little trees. I think these are the best spots, unless you get a spot like this where you can ease over and you're the only somebody, so you got all that space. That's space 76. That's a good end spot. But like I say, getting this spot to have the trees, or this spot is nice. That spot is nice because you get the trees. just like this one. My wife had noticed that when she went to the Friendly Center to walk on the indoor track.
Yeah, I rode through here and wrote them down.
Yep. So I recommend those are nice. Come on back around. See, big long Brinkley up in here. See, that guy got his big Brinkley finna walk his dogs that just got back. You can see we parked here, our big coach. See how we fitting in there? All right, got a little lake road next to us. See, got a Super C in here. See the big long Super C. See, Dutch Star, tag axle. So like I say, all kinds, big old fifth wheels, big Rockwood, Forest River. See on this end spot, see how they're making use of it? They got company, you see how all the cars able to park. That's why I say the beauty of the end. All right, there's the, we just showed you the playground and all that. It's the splash pad. Give you a better view. See that splash pad at the back, see all that water area? So you got your kids, younger kids, see? They got all that. All right. General idea of what this area looks like. So as you can see, you got people living here full time. All right, so this is it. Give you a good idea of what this Metropolitan Hoover RV campground looks like. See, Winnebago Tour tag axle there. All right, we're back at us back there. All right, we got a splash pad playground. See, beautiful restrooms right there, air conditioned. And this is free. The splash pad is on the far side. See the big old playground right here. See that worker right there cleaning things up in orange. But yeah, on that back side where you see, that's the splash pad back there. It's nice and big. All right, give you a view at night. See, there goes our coach. You see, there's plenty of lights here at this park. See how it's lit up, real nice. So see those RVs. See the lights be on at the center. So see, it's lit up real nice. So yep, it's very nice and safe. The police do ride through. And as you can see in the daytime, they keep the park real nice and clean. So yep, this is the nighttime view. See, there's the moon. Not many stars out tonight, but little bit by little bit they come in. The clouds has gone away from the normal evening activities of rain. Yep, this is a view. All right, pinch in. Lexus is in the back there. Yep, Rambo.